Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to flip a text in Canva. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in canva.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, create a new design or open an existing design from here. Add your text on Canva. After adding the text, click on the text selected and simply copy the text and paste it here. After that, you will see a small circular icon at the bottom of the text. Now, click on it and rotate the text and align it with the text you want to get flipped. So that is how you can flip your text in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.